Hello guys, welcome to the online developer channel. Today I am here with the new React.js web app and the source is available in the below description. I will begin with the admin window where admin will enter the login details here. If he enters the wrong email and click sign in, he will get the pop-up wrong incorrect password and or email. After clicking the sign in, he will be redirected to this page where the admin can see the hotel name, number, email ID and address. He can also click on edit and then edit the hotel name, the Royal House. Click on save button to update and you will get updated successfully as an alert message. On clicking OK, it will be redirected to the again hotel details. Here you can see the hotel details are updated and the admin can view the room facilities and room types, and also he can add the new room facility. Here there is no writing table and I will add here from the add details. Go up and add facility writing table and for the cost is for 100 rupees and click on add, click on OK and you go to hotel profile where you can see writing table is added to the room facility, and again you can add the new room by either selecting room type. I will select with AC and the room facility writing table. Choose the uh, here the image of the room will be uploaded, and the below of the input you can see the uh, you can see the percentage of the file is uploaded to the server. Click on open and click on add room. You will get them a pop-up message, new room added successfully. Click on OK and he can also handle the bookings. See, there are no bookings yet. Now I will show by adding new booking here. The customer will enter his email, where customer where sudeepmansal@gmail.com and 1234 I will add here. Password is 1234. When he clicks on sign in, he will be redirected to the home page where he will click on search dates to select his date is year 2021 from the 4th to 7th. There will be 5 people are going to stay in the room. He will click on search Airbnb where the customer can view the different rooms available here, and he can also filter the room based on amenities and types. If he clicks on Wi-Fi available room will be shown here, and if he clicks on AC rooms will be shown. Non-AC, these are the two non-AC rooms available here, and he will click on book now. The hotel will be booked if we reserved successfully. He can also check whether the room is booked or not by going here. He can also cancel the room if he changes his plan by going here in the booking window, where you can see on the 30th December the room ID 15 is booked from 4th to 7th January. The total amount is 5,900 and if the user cancels his reservation, here also the admin cannot see these things. These are the functionalities is added here, and here also the user can also update his profile details by clicking on edit. It will be redirected to this form, and he can also edit his details. Six. By clicking sign up, the user details will be saved. Here in the database, you can see Mahesh at gmail.com. The number is added here.